Alright, ran.
So we're taking the back way?
I mean, we're taking whatever Benny's way.
Well, not the back way.
I think that there is a way to go through it. Like, if we go through on the bottom, we can go through like a gate and then it leads us right into it. But, I mean, we're taking Benny's way, so. We're mountain goating it up.
We're Skyrim this bitch.
He's dead already!
Yeah, he beat your ass more than the goat dude.
Yo, it's either him or fucking zombie, and the zombie's in fucking Womaverse constantly beats my ass. I'm like, yo, I'm on your fucking team! Baby, it's cold outside.
Damn, George isn't dressed for this at all.
Well, he makes me feel cold.
It's feeling a little nippy out here.
Oh yeah, I bet it is.
Just a little?
Bird bat.
I'm Batman.
Hair gargoyle.
Yeah, it's a bird bat, alright.
Oh, there's another one. Okay, I didn't know.
And there's a
Oh,
cave.
there's a cave here. Ben Yakin Seal. Oh, it's more of those. I need a freaking torch.
Not the sea, barely.
Yes, it
We
is.
can go down or up.
Let's go up.
No, that's a lot of damage.
Oh, watch out, 3 skull 1.
Oh! Okay.
Heal real quick.
I got the 3 skull one.
I'm distracting the thing for Hyper to heal.
Oh,
Help
boy.
Help him. I got this one, Benny.
Man, that boy hurts. You guys need to heal.
Yeah.
Both of you.
Oh, I'm taking
Okay,
cold damage now.
Drink your, your
shit.
fire water. It should try and warm you up. Ivor, we should back up.
Yes. Get out the key.
George, get out of here.
Right.
Run. My body is warming up, but that wasn't soon enough.
That's the sound of the police!
Oh shit, they're coming out too. Damn it, that thing does so much damage to me.
Retreat.
And I don't do enough damage to it. That's what I was thinking.
He disappeared.
Oh, he reset.
Right.
I was gonna pull out a bow and just shoot him in the face constantly till he died. Oh, you did?
Let's
Yeah.
distract him.
Hello, motherfucker.
Use your sword to go in the cave. Get
Ah,
Hyper right now.
it's fucking in my ass. Why did Hyper run out?
He's
Thought I
his
was-
torch.
I can keep blocking him if you guys can keep hitting him. That attack is the only. Oh, well, I can defend it. Okay. Watch out! Watch out! He's aiming at you.
I don't know why I got stuck on, but
Heal up! Heal up! Heal up! Okay, I can defend against that move. That's good. Dude, I don't think I've heard anything hit this hard yet. Oh god. Eat shit, dude.
probably
Oh
have-
god. Well, I have to carve him in order to see. So let's see. Yeah, he did. Skeleton key.
Oh
Where's my
shit.
boss at?
Here we go
Oh,
again.
no.
Oh, it's a skull! A skull! A skull! It's not 3 skulls, but it is 1 skull. Oh, here it is. Oh, no, it's not. It's just another chest. A normal chest. I can't get up because I take cold damage and it knocks me down. Because the higher I go, the more cold damage I take.
alright. So I guess we leave him. At least we have the key, though.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm thinking if maybe I can warm up enough, I could just go and grab it.
It's chest here.
It's chest here. Oh, it's a fucking loot chest again. It's not the key. Is that the chest?
Hopefully it is.
That's it. I got it.
Nice.
It's a strength weapon called Balls per Tone Lodestone. Let me see. a hammer, it looks like. Yeah, two-handed hammer.
I could use that.
I couldn't let that go without being checked, man. That was too valuable. Oh, they have a slave over here too.
Hello there.
Archer. What level are you, Archer? Oh shit! You fight. Never mind. Ah, my butt cheek. Damn it, Archer, you bitch! You shot me in the butt cheek again. That's it. Where's my bludgeoning stick? I can just knock him out.
Oh my god!
Right by the building.
Oh, wrong way. This way.
The tree guy is here again.
Oh, behind you.
Yeah, the tree guy that clapped you.
This way.
The giant tree with 3 skulls that clapped you. Yeah, he's here.
This way, Hyper. Come on.
Oh, the guy didn't see your health thing.
Can we fight that? But like, since we got better. Well,
Making my way downtown.
Well, I could try. There's a girl just walking around here. What is a girl doing here? Are you Dina, the Master Huntress? Are you a?
Oh, she's a yellow name too.
You're.
Yeah, she has a yellow.
Is she? Oh, okay.
Hyper, don't.
I don't know. Her name is for some reason is blank for me.
I want to do. I got it.
You got the plunger weapon?
Yeah, got a plunger.
Oh my god, this poor woman.
When is it gonna be my turn?
This is messed up, dude.
Oh, there's a white light over there.
Yeah.
Shut up, man. It's confidential.
I think
Why you saying it out loud?
I think it sounds to attack it. I could be wrong though.
Shh.
Many months later.
Full of gorillas.
Well, that's fine. I mean, I want to see a gorilla anyways.
They're hostile, so they will fucking kill you.
I'll fucking beat their whole butt cheeks in. Oh, dude, they're big birds. Are they hostile? They sure are. They sure are. It's trying to peck you right now.
There, he's dead. And he's dead. God, we do damage. Always have weapons.
Come on, man. I'm fine.
Mama ain't ever raised no bitch.
Oh, damn, that's a big gorilla.
And he's coming this way.
That's a big gorilla.
If you walk down these stairs, and we're gonna go to the bottom stairs and stop, because I'm not going anywhere. But you walk down these stairs, and you walk through those doors. That is where the boss is.
Those are doors?
Those are doors. Or I can't remember if it's doors or if it's if it teleports you right in there.
I'm guessing if we go over there, we can't come back.
Basically, you have to kill it in order to come out.
Get the fuck out of here, man.
It is legitimately a boss. It's the only one I know about in the game. But let me tell you, it has 2 statues that it brings along to kick the shit out of you. You have to damage the statues just to damage her, and then do it over again.
Wow.
It was a pain in the ass.
Yeah, we're gonna need a group for that.
Yes. And when I mean we need a group, we need people with everything. The meat that might fucking shrine.
Star weapons.
At least everyone has one
heavy padding gear. That I hate too. I hate how they just teleport to you. Like that breaks the immersion and kind of seems sloppy. At least in Ark, at least a T-Rex can't swim, but he tries. He's like in the water, like you see his little feet trying to move.
Yep.
Oh, that's cool. It's like a sideways boat. That's sick.
Yes, it is my favorite thrall camp in the game.
That's cool.
All right, Wolf. Now I'm gonna ask you. Do you want to go through the boat all the way up to the top of the cliff first, or you want to go through this mess first?
I got stabbed.
Anything, man.
Oh, I forgot about
And
this.
Taz.
They fucking die fast, dude. Those
Those are the
freaking
Panthers.
Panthers.
Oh,
They look
shit.
cool,
I
though.
just died right along with that guy with the shotgun.
They look way better than Arc Panthers. They're like
Side
bigger
two?
and like
Oh,
their
no,
their
you're right.
sides. You can see the spots for them.
I'm right on C.
Arms,
Alright.
like they look way better than Arc.
Do it.
I
do it.
beg your pardon.
He passed you to go to me.
My teammate couldn't kill him.
Gosh, damn.
Alright.
Bert, dude, give them a chance at least.
I did. I hit him once, aggroed him, and then I hit him again.
He turned around and died before he could turn.
Alright. There are a lot
That's
of them.
cool. Dude, this boat is bitching.
Oh, I fell.
Uh-oh.
I'm getting
Yeah,
shot
yeah,
at.
yeah.
I lagged. Okay, though.
You're good, you're good. We got it.
I'm in the water. I'm coming as fast as I can.
You're fine.
Hands where I can see them mating.
Get him, Freya.
Luckily, I don't have to worry too much because you are also as strong as me.
That's true.
So I
I'm
mean,
not peeking that.
I mean,
Fucking
we both have star weapons, so
oh,
those
I got
are
it.
the ones that do that.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh
Can
my
you get
god.
D? When you get
Dude,
D?
he didn't stand a chance, dude.
Let's-
She
be a
didn't
lot.
stand
I
a
think-
chance. I'm sorry, it's a girl.
Hey, come on.
Got him! Oh my god, dude, she
Through the building,
blur
so we have
burst
cover?
into half in midair, dude.
Still,
Yeah.
I'll take that. Hell yeah.
It's coming straight down the road we were at.
This dude
Oh,
was
you got
literally
fragged.
juggling for Panthers.
That was my frag, but I got
I
C
saw him.
at the same time.
He was literally juggling, and the Panthers are just watching him.
I've been
Dome.
taking the coins, like, you know, like I don't know what they're for, but I've been taking them.
Gallo the Spearden
Is
is
that
this guy's
the
name.
dead ass?
He's fucking dead.
Oh my
He was
god,
a yellow
that's
name.
hilarious.
That white
Yeah.
crossing the street.
He was
right
dead
there.
though.
Yeah.
Oh, George is probably
coming
far
to
away
you
from
all.
us.
Fast as fuck, boy.
Oh, actually, he's coming towards us.
So
I'll make it
fucking
there.
better
Don't
than
worry
mine this
about
game.
me.
Don't worry about me.
You know my
On to me.
survivability.
I really do. Wait a second. What is that? Wait. Wait. They worship my god. There's a spider over there. There's a spider statue.
I really
It's a
hope
wrist
this
guard
is
with
a
an easier
video.
way to-
I,
is there
I
an easy way to
fucking
ramp
watch
the
it and
map?
I see the same, like, whoop,
Oh wait, never mind. I'm an
from
idiot.
what I saw a snake.
Wait, is that a live spider? No, right? No, that's just decoration. But it looks like. No, that's a spider.
This is a merchant. We can't kill him.
Oh my god, I saw his shadow.
Yeah, but the spider. You see that spider on top of the cage?
Yeah.
They're down
It's
to two
real.
ways,
It's
by
not
the way.
fake.
Yeah, I know.
That's all they got.
You can lock onto it. What the hell? Is this stuck? Is this supposed to be up there?
Yeah, yeah.
I think so.
That's
no.
why. That's why we gotta capture flags.
Oh no, it's okay. Yeah, you good?
Help me!
Yeah, you good? Yeah.
I'm gonna try to hightail it to see you before this shit.
There you go.
Purchase spider egg sack for 10 gold coins.
Stop playing. I can get a. Wait a second. Is that a spider? Like a taming spider?
I don't know.
Spider egg sack.
You could buy an egg of the bird. Right here.
Got a double, but they
Stop
know I'm
playing.
here.
This
I
guy's
lost
selling
another
it. But we need
surprise
10
for
gold
that kid.
coins. I only have 2.
Oh, I don't have any.
We'll have to watch out.
I got. Oh, that's cool. Girl, you selling people?
Hold up! Wait a
There
minute!
you
I'm
are.
into A right now.
She's
Alright,
she's
I'm coming
dead
towards you.
selling a spider. She's selling an alchemist too.
Mhm.
Seriously?
An alchemist for 50
No, they
gold
choked that
coins
dude right
and
as I get in the building.
fighter for 100. That better be the best damn fighter
Yeah,
I've
baby
ever
girl,
heard.
I kind of like your business.